Hey guys, it's Nolan here, and in today's video I have a birthday present that I'm getting a little bit early. And this is a Lucky Dirt scooter. It's called the Warthog, and it's the Justin Vogel edition. So let's go ahead and get it. The box isn't in the best condition, but sometimes mailmen are just lazy. It's really hard to So down here in Middle Georgia, we've got this really nice, super soft, annoying sand. So it's kind of hard. Like, I just was riding it down here and almost flipped over. And so in the sand, the tires really grab a lot, because they have a lot of traction, so they're just grabbing onto the sand, and you've got to really keep your weight on the back tire or else you're going to flip over. But like, the tires, like, they soak up like vibrations and stuff, which is really cool, because it's like compared to my street scooter, it's like a lot of vibrations go to your wrist, but on this one, it's like not, like, it's just like fine, I guess. But I'll try to do a 180 right here. Yeah, I gotta get. Okay.
You were too close to me.
Let's try again. It's a lot bigger, so it's a lot harder to turn. a lot harder than I thought. Let's try one more try. It's so hard.
Try one of the dirt jumps just for fun.
Okay. I ran into the ant.
I see that.
Right when it gets up to the top, it wants to stop.
Yeah, it's way too soft, but it did rain down here last night.
Yeah.
So, you know, who knows? But Durham Town's got clay,
Yeah.
so you could try it down there on that little that little section they got for bikes.